Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a tiny, mischievous creature named Salacious Crumb. He was a creature with green, scaly skin and a laugh that could make even the bravest Jedi chuckle. Living with Jabba the Hutt, Salacious Crumb was always up to no good. He loved to sneak around, play tricks on others, and cause chaos wherever he went. One day, Salacious Crumb found a small, lost creature hiding behind Jabba's throne. It was a baby Ewok, scared and alone. Salacious Crumb, who had a soft spot for the small and vulnerable, decided to help. With a heart full of kindness, he led the Ewok back to its home in the forest. The Ewok's family was overjoyed to see their lost member returned. Salacious Crumb felt a warm feeling inside him, a feeling he had never experienced before. The next day, Salacious Crumb returned to Jabba's palace, but he was different. He no longer found joy in causing trouble. Instead, he found joy in kindness and helping others. Jabba the Hutt noticed the change in Salacious Crumb and asked, "What has happened to you, my little friend? You no longer seek trouble." Salacious Crumb smiled and replied, "I found something much more valuable than trouble, Jabba. I found kindness." From that day forward, Salacious Crumb used his mischievous ways to help others, spreading kindness throughout the galaxy, one laugh at a time. And as for the baby Ewok, he would forever remember the tiny, green creature who showed him the power of kindness. And so, the tale of Salacious Crumb serves as a reminder to us all that even the smallest actions can have the greatest impact.